In the previous session, we have seen about the flavors of Unix, right? Now let's understand the Linux. And as I said in the previous tutorial, I was mentioning GUI as GUI was mapping to Linux, and CUI I was mapping to Unix, right? Now let's understand uh, what is exactly the Linux is. Linux is a GUI with all the features of Unix encapsulated. As I said, in an Unix environment or in the Linux environment, we can install several softwares, right? So when I talk about the Linux, it got inbuilt softwares like C, C++, PHP, MySQL, OpenOffice, Apache, Web Server, Mozilla Firefox. All these are inbuilt, available in the GUI version of Linux. Let's take an example of Red Hat. So it will have all the these I can say all the software is readily available in the software. Okay, now let's see the flavors of Linux. When I talk about the flavors of Linux, you can see Fedora, Ubuntu, CentOS, Oracle Enterprise Linux, and Debian Linux, and there are several others. So these are the top most used the Linux version. So I can consider these as in the flavors of Linux. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Have a great and pleasurable day or evening. I'll be coming up with more tutorials with a new topic.